In this video, I'm going to be showing you a super simple way in which you can actually make money online. There is no investment required, there is no technical knowledge required, there is no special skills required, and this is worldwide. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you would like to learn more about, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you how you can make money online. Remember, this is a worldwide method. This is not related to creating your own product, creating your own service, not even related to affiliate marketing. You don't need to sell anything and it's 100% free and worldwide opportunity. This is free PayPal money. Make sure that you're going to be following everything step by step because I want to make sure that you're going to be earning money. And at the end of the video, guys, I'm going to be sharing with you a bonus. Yes, another way in which you can actually make money online. Now, let me show you everything here on my computer. First of all, go to google.com. Yes, go to google.com and type Google News. Okay, please make sure that you're going to be typing Google News and you're going to be landing here on this page. Okay, click on the very first link that it's called Google News or news.google.com. And as you can see, this is all about news, all about the latest topics, the latest trends, tips, tricks. All you have it here, and they do have several categories. Okay, my suggestion is go with technology and health because those are the categories that people get into the most. So we're gonna be using health and we're gonna land here and you're gonna see you have the latest news about health tips and tricks, but I'm gonna be using weight loss. Okay, I want to be using weight loss because that's a topic that a lot of people are actually into. Okay, people are looking always to ways to be healthy. They want to lose some weight, so we're gonna be typing it here, weight loss, and you are gonna land on this page. Okay, so here we have lose weight. So we have several articles. For example, it is possible to lose weight by sweating fat. Top 21 ways to lose fat. Best weight loss tips in 2021. Weight loss business. Okay. Smart tip for losing weight and keep it off. Okay. So you can see a lot of people are actually putting content online and okay, they are actually, trying to lose weight. Why? Well, they're actually sharing tips for those who are trying to lose weight. Why? Because there are a lot of people who are looking for these steps. Okay, so this is a really, really good niche. That's the reason why I told you to go with health and to go with lose weight. Okay, Diana, can I actually find information about keto? Yes, you do. You can find information about keto. Can I find information about the latest cell phone? Yes, you do. And by the way, talking about the latest cell phone, please, guys, let me know what kind of cell phone are you using. Maybe are you using an iPhone iOS device, or maybe you're using an Android device. I want you to let me know which one you're using because I'm going to be creating content related to those devices. Okay. Also, if you're enjoying this content so far, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Okay, that's going to be helping me. It's going to be helping my video. It's going to be helping my channel. And also, remember, leave it in the comment area. Let me know which cell phone you're using, which type of operation system you are actually using. It's all about iOS or it's all about Android. Okay, now that you're here, you're going to be clicking on one of these articles. For example, I decided to go with this one. I think this is actually really, really good article. It's long, it's really well written, so a lot of tips here, so I decided to go here. So please make sure that you're gonna be paying attention because I'm gonna be revealing one of the tools that we're gonna be using. Okay, So that one, it's called Spinbot. You're going to go to spinbot.com. So what are you going to be doing? You're going to be rereading the article, but you don't need to do it manually. This tool, it's an article spinner, okay? It can rewrite the text and make sure that it's well written, okay? Let me show you a real example. Let's say that we want to copy this. We're gonna paste it here. Okay, so we paste it here. We're gonna make sure that, yeah, we're a human. So we're gonna click here where it says I am a human, or I am human. Okay, because we're gonna go with the captcha. Okay, this cars, this is a car, this is a car, this is a car. Oops, this is not a car. Verify. Okay, and we're gonna click here where it says go. Okay, so here I have my article, or part of it. Okay, so it's just like that. With a couple of clicks, we're gonna have everything. Now, what we're gonna be doing is that we're gonna be selling this article. We're gonna be selling this information. There are people out there, in this case, they're actually websites that are looking for, writers. And with that says, you are going to be a writer right now. The very first website in which you can actually sell your content, it's called eatingwell.com. Okay, you can go with eatingwell.com. It's all about weight loss tips. So it's a good niche, and they do have something that they call the writer's guideline. Okay, so you can find more about Eating Well, which is the only national food magazine that focuses exclusively of eating healthy. Okay, so they have the frequency that they're gonna be, the publication frequency is 10 times a year. This is how, the circulation they have. And if you want to be sharing this article, here is the patient tip. Okay, so you're gonna send the pitch to this email address. You're gonna include Eating Well magazine pitch. Okay, that's gonna be on your subject line, and you're gonna be copying and pasting the rewritten text. Okay, just like that. Okay, they are paying up to $1 per word. Okay, so super easy, super simple. This is a very first website in which you can actually sell the content, which is called eatingwell.com. Another website in which you can sell your content, this is another magazine, it's called sierraclub.org. Okay, the magazine of the Sierra Club. Okay, sierraclub.com. They do have their editorial guidelines as well. Okay, so you're gonna see that they are US based magazine. They do have an online and a print edition. And if you want to submit your article, you're gonna click here where it says how to submit, and you need to actually write an email to submissions.sierra@sierraclub.org. Okay, here we have submissions.sierra@sierraclub.org. You need to include the word pitch in the subject line. Okay, really similar to the previous one. On the previous one, we use the word pitch as well. It's Eating Well magazine pitch, and here you need to use the word pitch. Okay, you're gonna copy and paste. They do not accept Google Docs files, so please make sure that you're gonna copy everything on the body of the emails. Okay, they do not accept Google Docs, Word documents, PDF. Okay, so this is actually something really, really important that you need to take into consideration. The third website that we're going to be using is called Daily JS Store. Okay, Daily JS Store. They do have their submission guidelines as well. Okay, so please make sure that you're going to be reading this. Okay, Something really important about Daily JSTOR is that your article needs to have between 1800 and 2000 words, okay? So please make sure that you have it all the words that you need. And remember that these articles are really well written, okay? As you can see, these are really long articles, but you always copy and paste this information when you already, rewrite it on Word or a Google Doc to make sure that you have everything, okay? Remember, on Google News, you have a lot of information, okay? By the way, guys, it's time for the bonus. Remember that at the beginning I told you that I will be sharing with you another way in which you can actually make money online. Well, if you're looking to fire your boss, if you're looking to quit your 9 to 5, I'm going to leave a link. It's going to be the very first link in the description with my number one recommendation to make money online so you can fire your boss. You can live your life in your own terms. Okay, that's going to be the very first link in the description. So after watching this video, please go ahead and click on that link. I hope you guys enjoyed this content. If you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. That's going to be helping me. It's going to be helping my video. It's going to be helping my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And I see you on the next video.